sorry for the interruption. So it would be lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 9 equals to 0. So from here you get lambda 1 equals to 3 and lambda 2 equals to 3. So for these two, as you can see, the eigenvalues are same. So the eigenvectors should be, for lambda 1 we'll have x1 as 1 0 and the same vector for the same value. So there is only one independent eigenvector. So for triangular matrices you would not get n eigenvalues and n eigenvectors for a n by n matrix, right? So it is not the constant of n eigenvalues or n eigenvectors for a n by n matrix. So it depends on the size of the matrix, and it depends on the properties of the matrix. As I said, the more symmetric the matrices are, the better your eigenvalues and eigenvectors will be. Okay. So you have one homework that you have to find a generalized characteristic. So the generalized characteristics of eigenvalues and eigenvectors of projection matrices. Second is reflection matrices and rotation matrices. So this is your homework. So do experiment with the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of these matrices and try to find out the latent characteristics of these spatial matrices. Alright, so this is it, and I'll see you guys in the discussion class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.